In today's video, I'll show you how you can create logo using AI. And here I'll show you two different methods using the same prompt. And that way you'll get to compare how the logo is different in two different platforms, which we will be seeing. Not just that, I'll also give you tips on how you can customize the logo to an extent where you can tweak a bit to make it to your liking. So to start with, first I'll go with the ChatGPT. By now, I'm sure you would know what ChatGPT is. They have a feature where you give a prompt and almost instantly the logo will get generated. So let's have a look at how to create a logo. When it comes to any AI tool, the most important aspect is the prompt, what you create and how you're able to convey to that AI. For example, here we are going to create a coffee shop logo and I will show you how the prompt is being written. So you can see here, you are an expert in logo design. So basically you are telling ChatGPT that you are the expert. Create a minimalist and modern logo featuring the letter C combined with a coffee element using the color combination of red, black and white. The design is square shaped and does not include any text. So once you write this, you can tweak as per or your requirement. You can customize. So once this is done and you click, you start to see the work happen. So the logo is being now created. Now you can see that the logo has been created. It has a word C and it has a coffee cup and also the color combination what has been given. All you need to do is go and download this and you will be able to use this logo. Now let me show you another method which is again free, that is using the website called IDE Graph. So here again you have a free option and you also have a paid option. You will be able to generate with free option almost 10 prompts per day and that should do your work. Again, we will use the same prompt and see how this website gives you the logo. So as you can see, I'm not changing the prompt. I'm keeping the same prompt without any change to the text what was given in the chat. You're an expert in logo design. Create a minimalist and modern logo featuring letter C combined with a coffee element using the color combination of red, black and white. The design is square shaped and does not include any text. In fact, you don't even have to give this prompt because here you see you have this aspect ratio. So we will just select this square and then all of this we are ready to create and generate the prompt. Here you see these options. You can choose how you want, in case you want illustration, in case you want like a painting, in case you want like a graffiti. So you can go and choose the way you want and we will see how this logo is getting generated. Once you're done with your prompt, come here and click generate and you see here right now the computer is on load. A lot of people are using this. So it's a wait of almost 200 plus seconds, which is not a problem. In case you don't want to wait, then they have a paid plan. I'm using a free plan and it does my work. I'll just take a coffee, come back and see how this shapes up. So now you can see the logo has been completed and you have 4 different versions here and you have option to go and remix and improve upon any one which you like. And once it is done, you have an option to even go and download. So you can see here, download PNG. Again, it's logged. So if you have to go for this PNG, you'll have to go for a paid method. But with the JPEG image, you will be able to download this for free. So for example, of all of the 4 what is listed here, I like this one and I download. The download is done and then I'll show you how you can still customize this to your liking and improve upon what you got. First thing what we will do is remove this black background, and to do this again we will use a free tool, remove.bg. So here we will upload the file which has been downloaded and as soon as you upload this, you will see that the background has been removed. You can download this and we will go to Canva. All the links will be in the description. So Canva, you just come and check and type logo and here select the logo size. Now in Canva, you have some pre-made template. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. So if you like any of the text which are from free, you will be able to use that on your logo design. So you can just scroll down and see the one which shows like this. These are all paid ones and these are free. What you see here, these are all. Here if you come to the filter and from filter if you choose free, you will get only the free versions here. So either you can go to create a blank logo or you can use the existing text and bring your logo and make it your logo, whichever color you want. For example, let's select this and customize this template. Once you click, you have this template here, and on left side, you have some more option based on the Canva recommendation. Now we will upload the file which we removed the background. Once you upload, comes and sits here, and then once you click, it will come and sit here. So you see, now we will start to work on this text part. Let's adjust this logo size first, reduce this, and to increase, you just do this and you will find the increase in dimension. So once this is done, now we'll come to the text part and then change the text. Say we will say cocoa coffee. Okay. And we increase the size. Can increase the font like this, your own since 2020. So now you have a customized logo of your desire. You can change the background color. All of this, you will not be able to make changes to this because there's an image, but remaining things you can go and change and make it customized to your requirement. Once this is done, you just go and download this, go to share, download, and then you can download this in PNG. The last one is my preferred method. Again, this is not free. You have to pay for the service, but you are interacting with human. And this is platform called Fiverr. So if you don't know what Fiverr is, here you get freelancers with whom you can interact and get work done according to your requirement. Here you're not interacting with AI and you are actually interacting with a real person. To get any logo made, they have their work shown, what they have worked in past, and then you can go and get the work done through them. I extensively use Fiverr for all my work. And as you can see, I have also left good rating for the person with whom I have worked in the past. So I'll share all the links in the description for you to go and use and try it for yourself. Also friends, don't forget to check out the website candidateridentested.com. Here I have organized everything the way you would like to have, and that way you spend less time figuring out what you want. So I hope this helps you. Do like, share and comment and spread the word. Thank you.